welcome back to my channel. Discover me. How are you all doing? Thank you all for your love and support. I appreciate you all, my people. So let me just quickly show you guys what is going on right now. You guys look, I'm making fufu. This is the fufu I'm making. This is the one that is finished, and this is the new one I opened. And I'm warming my egusi soup. You guys, you remember the egusi soup I made the other day? You guys, you think I'm just gonna eat it without, you know, jazz, you guys, like showing you guys how I manage the egusi soup, you guys. So anyway, I went shopping this morning. This video is meant to be mukbang, but sometimes we don't share the whole thing where YouTuber they go through before doing mukbang. Things happen, things always happen, and sometimes we don't share. So I'm gonna share every details with you guys today. My real life. Janet Ubeji, discover me real life. Okay, so come guys, come. So I went shopping this morning, as you guys can see. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. I don't have light here because the light is there, is working, but I can't just be bothered to put globe because we have one globe up there. Okay, so I went shopping this morning. I bought few things. I bought snacks. I bought food for the house for the kids, and that is my luggage I brought from Nigeria. Okay, so and that is, I put foil there. This is why I put foil there. When sun is shining, always, and when people are passing, they can see us going through the stairs. That is my stairs. They see us going through the stairs. So I put that, and I told hubby to get like some cutting and some work need to be done, sha. But because of lockdown, all the shop in our area is closed. So that's why we still live it like that. So anytime I'm vlogging and you guys see it, those of you that you watching it Ubeji or my family channel, you see that, and you don't know the story. That's a story I just shared this morning. Okay, so I came back hungry. I brought those stuff and I was so hungry, and I'm like, oh, my hair is coming up, guys. Okay, I came hungry and I'm like, I don't know what to eat. Okay, I also bought fish. I buy fish as well. Look at my sink, look at everything. Okay guys, I wanted to make pepper soup with plantain and yam for dinner. Oh, look at my stand, guys. Okay, don't worry about all that. So I was so hungry. I'm like, what should I eat? I bought bread, I bought a lot of things, but I said I'm gonna eat fufu because that's what I'm actually craving for this morning. Oh, look at this big lump. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've not been looking after myself since I came from Nigeria. Since I came back from Nigeria, because I fell sick in between. So I'll be sorry for another day. So I've not been to work since I came. I've only been to work once. I take the injection. I took the vaccine and I fall sick, blah 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 blah. Okay, so anyway, I've not been to work. I've only been to work once. That was 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. 3-4 weeks ago. So anyway, I came home this morning from shopping. I also went to the laundry. Yes, I went to the laundry. I washed because I'm going to work. My work clothes is not dirty, but I feel like I need to smell fresh. So I put it in the washing machine for just a few seconds. I put a freshener and all that. So I went to the laundry to dry it, to do all that this morning. So anyway, when I came home, I was hungry. I was exhausted. I'm like, okay, oh, I need to eat. And I'm craving for fufu and my egusi soup I made the other day. All of a sudden my phone rang. Okay, normally I know that is every Wednesday we take tests from our work, the COVID test. Those of you that you don't know, I'm healthcare assistant. Okay guys, so I'm hoping that, because I've not been to work now 3 weeks. Last week, 2 weeks ago and last week, I gave them my sick notes, you know, the one my GP gave me, just to show that I'm not feeling well, I'm not fit enough to work. But this week I'm strong enough. I'm like, I need to go to work because there's a lot of things I need to do and things like that. And I was being lazy. My husband like, you need to get yourself together, baby, you know what is in our front and things like that. But if you don't feel so whatever, you don't have to go. But because I'm complaining to my husband, like, if my husband say, okay, don't go to work, stay home and relax, I'm like, are you not meant to be motivating me to work? So okay, my husband like, okay, if you feel fit, if you think you can go to work, just go to work. If you feel like you don't feel, just stay home. We are not complaining. We don't owe anybody money that they'll be chasing us. Okay, just Okay, so anyway, just for them to call me and said I should the test. The time now is 11:13. They said I should come, and today is testing day. That should come before 12:15 because the driver that is coming to pack the test, to take the test to the office where they go and do the whatever, is coming at 12:15. That I can try to get there before 12:15. That would be nice. I'm like, whoa. First of all, to drive from my house to my workplace is 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Let's say the road is clear. I just want to boom, maybe like 50 miles per hour. If I want to speed like that, maybe it will take maybe like 18 minutes. 15 to, no, it's not 15 minutes, maybe 18 minutes. But in residential, that there will be traffic light to stop you. You'll be going prudential, you know, when people are passing, like zebra crossing, you want to wait. Traffic light is waiting you, there's traffic, all that, and I'm gonna just fly like that. I just say, okay, I'll see what I can do, and right now I don't know whether I'm gonna take the bus to come to work, blah blah blah. And I'm like, am I just gonna leave my empty stomach? And something told me that I bet just do your fufu jare and eat your food, then you can make it, you make it. I'm like, this is my work we are talking about. I need to go. So I'm like, before I go, let me make the fufu. And that is the fufu there. I said, let me make the fufu before I go. So I'm making the fufu and I'm going to put it in there. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to make it before I go. And I'll quickly rush out now and go. I've been talking for 7 minutes, guys. Can you guys believe that? Story of my life. So right now, I'm going to my work. And I would like to carry you guys along. Okay? Yeah. And I'll be going to work today. But my plan was, if it's around 2, I'll call them that I'll be working today. I don't want them to get my shift covered because I'm supposed to work today. Wednesday and Thursday. Today is Wednesday. You guys will be lucky to see the video today. So yeah. So that's what is going on. So I'll be going to work, but I'm gonna make my fufu first. Oh, it's almost ready. So that's what is going on. Okay. Yeah. My life this morning. No faking, guys. Anyway, I don't fake. It's just like there are some things that it's not necessary for me to share, but I'm gonna share everything today because I'm tired. You guys need to know waiting person they go through. I'm just putting my phone down so you guys, so let me just make this is true. Let me make the fufu. Okay, the fufu is ready. So I have my bag here. I'm going to pour it. Oh, sugar. With this work, with this pouring in the bag work, guys. I don't know what I'm doing now. Look at that, guys. Oh, okay, guys. So I finished making my fufu, and I'm going to put on my jacket. This is not what I planned this morning. It's nearly noon, so I'm just wearing my shoe. My shoe, can you guys see? My shoe is dark. You guys might not be able to see. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the car. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are going to my work to get my test done. Okay. Let's go. Okay guys, I made it. I'm at my work. Just gonna put this, and the time is 12 o'clock. Can you guys see? So let's go. Hi, thank you. So I need to wash my hand first. Take the test. So I'm just giving my pack. Blow your nose. Excuse, please. Excuse. I finished everything. I want to check the rota. I'm supposed to be working tonight. Yes, you are still on. I'm still on. Okay, I'm on tonight. Oh, look at this big. I'm on tonight. Look at my hand. Can you see? It's a wash, wash, wash. Every minute washing. So just check. Thank you. Okay, thank you. I'm going now. See you tonight. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, Jesus. This thing is really what's have advantage also have disadvantage, guys. Look at my face with all this cocoa. You guys see, thank God for the mask. Once I wear it, nobody know the secret down there. So this thing is really actually helping some of us. Isn't it? Okay, guys, so let's go home and eat our fufu. You see, all this while I didn't plan for this morning, so I'll be working tonight. I've seen my rota. I thought they would have but I was telling my colleague that the day senior, like, am I working tonight or have they covered my shifts? Because for the past 3 weeks now, like, no, not 3 weeks, for the past 2 weeks now, I've not worked. They've been covering my shift. So I'm like, maybe because they didn't hear from me, I've not called, maybe they would have, you know, they were like, why should we cover your shift for you? I better come and work, Jare. So I went to check the rota and I'm on the rota Bragata. So guys, I just came home and I took off my jacket, took off my shoe, dropped the car key, and I'm just here. I'm just here, guys. So now I'm hungry. I'm now hungry. But I'm not craving for the fufu and the egusi soup anymore, but I'm hungry. But because I've made it, I'm going to have it because it's not gonna waste. This is why anytime I'm craving for something, I don't like wasting my time. Once I can get the thing immediately to eat, I just do it and eat. Look at me now. Let's say I didn't go to my work and all that, I would have enjoyed the way I'm craving it and the way it's very hot and delicious. I would have eaten it. But story of my life. Okay, guys, let me go and wash my hands and get the food ready and eat. Okay, so this is my day. What can I do? I mean, things happen, guys, right? So let me go upstairs and okay, I need to be honest with you guys. When I came back, I did not wash my hand. Okay, I did not wash my hand because I was driving. I know some of you like, Jenna, that's not the excuse. Okay, guys, I was driving with my car, and when I got to my work, I washed my hand. When I finished my test, I washed my hand. Okay, I didn't wash my hand when I finished with the test. I will not lie, I didn't, but I know I'm clean, right, guys? Right. So I'm gonna wash my hand. You guys can see now, I'm squeezing the soup like that. So I'm going to wash my hands. They say normally you should wash it for 20 seconds. Me, I don't have time to wash it for 20 seconds. I'll just wash it the way I normally wash my hands. Once it's nice and wash.
No, okay.
You want me to film you? Say hi. This is my daughter. My second baby. My second daughter. You're taller than mommy now.
Yes. I actually shrunk, but then I grew back again, so.
So that's your hat. Your daddy bought it. She's been stressing my husband to buy it. How dare you stressing my husband? All I told him that he had to buy that for you.
It's cute.
This is my jacket, guys. I don't know whether to take it to dry clean or I should wash it with the washing machine. Okay, so let me make my food and eat. This is the fufu. Can you guys see? Okay, so this is the stuff I bought. The kids are putting them away. So the fufu is kind of a bit cold, but I'm gonna warm it now. I'm gonna have one of this tangerine. It's so sweet. Guys, this is the fufu. And guys, see? I'm going to warm it because it's cold. So this is the egusi. Can you guys see? So I'm going to warm this. I know I should close it, but can't be bothered. So guys, I'm getting my water. You guys see? And this is the fish I bought. I want to make dinner later with that. Okay. Look at that, guys. Can you guys see? Egusi with fufu. Yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, finally I'm having my food. Let me quickly do a prayer. Thank you, Lord. So we're gonna be it's funny, guys. When I started warming the fufu, I started craving for it again. The craving came back. That's tissue I used to clean my hand. Oh my goodness. So this is stockfish. At last, we saw the wahala we went through. They are liars. My enemies that don't want me to eat, they are lying. They will not succeed. Can you imagine? Saw the wahala. Someone that is making their food peacefully, they call, come and do this, come and do that. I've satisfied them. Now I'm satisfying my belly. Water. You know, when you're hungry and you're eating what you're craving for, that make you rush it more, isn't it? So, oh, this is goat meat. Sorry, it's hunger. Don't blame me, guys. Don't block our way. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I know I was planning before I should go through all that and come and sit down and pretend as if I didn't go through anything and say, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another mukbang. You guys will not know I've been through all that, right? So when YouTuber do video, you don't know what is behind the scene. You don't know what they've been through before they sit down and be doing that video. This is one example. I'm not sitting properly. I think I'm bending. Am I supposed to be bending? So guys, I'll see you guys. I love you all. Yeah, whatever you do, keep positive.